When does a reasonable accommodation become an undue hardship? A reasonable accommodation does not include removing essential job functions, creating new jobs, or providing personal need items such as eyeglasses and mobility aids. Nothing in the ADA prohibits employers from providing these types of accommodations, however, they are not required. Reasonable accommodation must be made to enable an individual with a disability to participate in the application process and to enjoy benefits and privileges of employment equal to those available to other employees. It is a violation of the ADA for an employer to fail to provide a reasonable accommodation to the known physical or mental limitations of a qualified individual with a disability unless doing so would pose an undue hardship on the operation of the business. Undue hardship means that the accommodation would require significant difficulty or expense. Undue hardship means that an accommodation would be unduly costly, extensive, substantial, or disruptive, or would fundamentally alter the nature of the operation of the business. Among the factors to be considered in determining whether an accommodation is an undue hardship are the cost of the accommodation, the employer's size, financial resources, and the nature and structure of its operation. If a particular accommodation would be an undue hardship, the employer must try to identify another accommodation that will not pose such a hardship. If cost causes the undue hardship, the employer must also consider whether funding for an accommodation is available from an outside source, such as a vocational rehabilitation agency, and if the cost of providing the accommodation can be offset by state or federal tax credits or deductions. Employers must also give the applicant or employee with a disability the opportunity to provide the accommodation or pay for the portion of the accommodation that constitutes an undue hardship.